So everybody says that they want to go viral, especially when they're selling something, whether it's on Etsy or some other platform. And as wonderful as it sounds, it's not. I've done that actually twice, huge, with two different products. And at the time, I actually thought this is fantastic. But in all honesty, after it was said and done, I had lost so much time, sleep, just body, everything during that time. I can safely say that wasn't worth it. Because we can say, oh, well, we want this and it'll be so worth it. But once you get in there and you're fulfilling orders like crazy and you're not sleeping and you're up to midnight every night and you missed a whole holiday because of it, no, it's not worth it. So consistency versus virality, take consistency. There's a few big reasons why consistency should be your game plan and not becoming viral. One, it's a long-term game plan because when you're consistent with what you're doing, there's a couple things that happen. If you're actually on the Etsy platform, they love it. They love new items going up. They like to see that, you're investing your time into your store. Your customers who have favorited your store, they love it because they get to see new stuff going up. And people who maybe didn't connect with some of the items already in your store, you now have an opportunity to get those customers and bring in new ones. So with new items. So being consistent, I feel like it's the hardest thing to do, and everybody's going to tell you to do it. And we have such a hard time doing it. Life gets in the way. Sometimes we get too busy with the business. And that's sometimes a huge culprit. You get so busy with your actual existing business that you forget to kind of keep adding to it because you're like, I'm good. I'm making money. I'm good. But that's really the time you need to. When business is slow, that's usually when we decide we're going to get consistent or we're going to put up new stuff. But really, if you were consistent the whole time, slow periods aren't as bad because you will usually have more items that are up there and kind of hitting different markets and different customers. So it just makes it so much nicer to get through a slow period. So consistency versus virality. I know that you want to go viral, but just focus on being consistent. I don't care if you have to write yourself a note, put something in your phone, and it doesn't have to be a lot. It can be like one listing a week. It does not matter, but just put that listing up because you will find after even 6 months that it really adds up. Because let's face it, 6 months times 4, you're talking about 24 to 30 listings that you've put up. And that doesn't sound like a lot, but once you get to the end of the year, you will thank yourself that you aren't looking backward and you actually looked forward. So keep watching our videos. We've got a lot more coming up, and be sure to like and subscribe this video. I'd really love it.